I'm Jimmie from Burrbenders, and welcome to my world. It's 31 degrees, it's raining, it's dark, it's cold, the heater in the truck's broken, and we've got to go out there and get ready and go to work. So let's go! Let's go! First thing we're doing this morning is heading to a local hardware store. They take in things, they charge their customers appropriately, and then we do like back of the house stuff. So we call it Tuesdays with Bob because every Tuesday we go see Bob. Bob, 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 Bob. Tuesdays with Bob, Tuesdays with Bob. But you don't have your own theme song? Well, Bob does. Okay, so every time I've been here, Bob promises me he will leave the back door unlocked, which is that door right there. The chances of that happening? 0. So, but we gotta check, because that's what we do. And nada. Okay, met with Bob. Got 2 chainsaws to do, 2 chainsaw chains. So you've never been with me out on the road, so let's get started. First thing we have to do is grab our cord, pull it out to our generator. We gotta put this down. Hold on, people. See, so it doesn't hurt my tailgate. We have to try to start our generator, which starts on the 2nd pull, 1st pull, 3rd pull, 4th pull. Oh, you know, probably if I turn that on it would help. And 1st pull. Hey! Get some light in here. And some heat. Yeah, I got my propane fixed this morning, so we're good to go there. Light my big buddy up. Hey! And we have heat. And now welcome to the most boring video ever watched or made on YouTube. Okay, we're at the next one, which is called Ella's Restaurant in Millersville, Maryland. We do their knives every week or so. We got to get set up, we got to get going. We have the highway on one side of us, the restaurant on the other side. It's still raining, we have a lot of knives to do. So, let's do it. One pull. We get 2 types of knives from them, serrated and straight edge, which we'll be doing both today. And we got to get them done because they got to get them back because they need them in the kitchen. So let's go. first set of knives done. Serrated knives, done. Well, we were done, but the boss man came in and brought his knives in, so we are going to take care of them real quick for him. And then we will be on our way. Okay, restaurant is done. The boss's knives are done. Now back to the shop. Okay, we're done for the day. It's about 1 o'clock. We do have an issue though. We've got to go home. Now I work in Annapolis, Maryland. I own another business up here as well, but I live in Ocean City, Maryland. So to give you an idea of how all that works, I had my graphics department put something together. I hope you appreciate it. It was very expensive, and let me show that to you now. Okay, so we're here in Annapolis. We're going to be driving and over the Big Bay Bridge to here in Ocean City. It takes about 2 hours. Graphics, awesome. Okay, we're on the road. Boring. Hey, Ocean City, I'm finally home. After a very long drive. Well, I finally made it back home. Here's the beach. Let's see if we can zoom in. Right there. Either way, I'm not going there tonight. So I will see you tomorrow. Get ready, got a busy day.